Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to watermark a photo on a Mac using the application Watermark Pro. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the MacBook Pro, the Watermark application. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the search box and type in Watermark Pro. Click on this. And now to add an image, click left top corner, add image. Navigate to the desktop. Click on the image you wish to open. And now to add the watermark text, click on text. You can change the text to your watermark name. In this case, computer science videos. Increase the size of the text. We can change the color of the text if we wish to. Change it to black. No shadow. And then we can crop and screenshot. Command Shift 4. Go to your desktop. And now we see the photo that we edited, added the watermark to. Quick preview. Command S to save the file. Mac.watermark save on the desktop for the moment. Quit Watermark Pro. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.